Can you pinch your belly fat like this? If you can grab a big handful of jiggly fat, congratulations, you are actually safe. The dangerous fat is the one you cannot pinch. It can be either fat around your belly, looks big but feels tight like a drum, or around your internal organs, which is not normal fat. That is a warning sign. We call that the silent squatter. It's visceral fat explained in why crunches not work. Fat hiding deep inside and doing 1,000 crunches won't fix it. But here is the good news. I'm going to share the Japanese protocol to unlock it and the specific beginner workout that burns the fat while sculpting your abs. So why belly fat doesn't go away? Won't that hard belly go away? Because you are fighting the wrong enemy. Visceral fat acts like a parasite. It strangles your organs and blocks your metabolism. That's why starving yourself never works. It just makes the parasite hold on tighter. To kill it, we need a 3-step attack. And step 1 is the diet code. Eat these colors hidden in your kitchen right now. The diet code first. We need to remove the rust. Science shows visceral fat loves inflammation. We fight it with carotenoids. Simple rule, if your food is beige like bread or crackers, it feeds the squatter. If it's orange, red, or green, it kills it. And here is the key, literally. Green tea contains ECG. Drink this before your workout to unlock the oxygen trick. Stop running. Do calisthenics, the fat burning process. Now let's kill the parasite, the oxygen trick. But listen carefully. Stop trying to kill yourself with cardio. Most people think harder is better. But if you are gasping for air, you are not burning belly fat. You are just burning sugar. Here is the simple science. Fat needs oxygen to burn. Think of a candle. If you cut off the air, the flame dies. If you run too fast and can't breathe, you cut off the oxygen and the fat burning stops. So how do you find the sweet spot? We use the talk test. While you do these talk tests for cardio exercises, try to say a full sentence. If you can speak, but you feel warm, you are in the fat burning zone. If you can't say a word, slow down. You need air to burn the belly. We are going to beginner calisthenics flow at home. Do a specific calisthenics flow designed to keep you in that perfect oxygen zone. Let's flow the workout. Here is your beginner lavender full flow. No equipment needed. We start with high knee marches. Don't just lift your legs, twist your body. This spikes the heart rate and wakes up the obliques. Keep breathing. Can you talk? Good. Now, let's hit the core. Walkouts. This engages every muscle in your body. It stabilizes your deep core, the muscles that pull that hard belly in. Forget lying on the floor. Standing cross crunches burn more calories and define the abs without hurting your neck. Consistency beats intensity. Here is the weekly workout schedule and recap. For women, your plan to fix the hard belly. Exercise 1, high knee twists. Marching by twisting your body, 30 seconds. Exercise 2, walkouts. Bend down, walk hands out to plank. Hold for 1 sec, walk back. 5 reps. Exercise 3, standing cross crunches. Touch knee to cross elbow, 15 reps per side. Repeat this 3 rounds. Frequency 3 to 4 times a week. Do the schedule. Drink your matcha and eat the rainbow. Your body wants to heal. You just need to give it the right signal. Let's melt that stress away.